Oh no. What happened? What happened? What happened, school bus? What happened? Oh, my friend. Oh, my friend. This, my friend, the pen caught stuck in the fire hydrant. Oh no. You stuck in here? Yeah, I'm stuck in here. Somebody help. Oh, what can I do? Okay, we can go to call police emergency immediately. Come on, let's go. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, there's a lot of grass here. Bang, 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 bang. Come on, driving in the grass. Whoa. Don't pull me. Come on, wang. Oh, I'm stuck in here. Whoa, I ain't coming. Yeah, come on, jumping, I can help you. Come on, jumping. Okay, we can go to the street, this is hard. Come on. Whoa. Oh, I can go to the street, woo-wee. Oh no, this is hard. It's okay. Now good. Come on, press the police emergency. Come on. Can you help me? Can you holding this bus? Oh, we can go to the police emergency. We can go to police emergency. Help me. Holding me.
Take the bus.
Oh no, stranger, don't take the bus. Stranger, you running. Oh my God, the stranger take my bus. Okay, careful bus. Stranger took you. Yes, it's okay, don't worry. I can go to police emergency. We can police emergency. Hey, fire truck here. We can go to press the police emergency. Okay, quickly. Wee. There, police emergency. Oh, emergency push button. Oh. Woo. Press the button. Wee. Police emergency here. Woo. Oh, the police emergency called the fire truck. Fire truck coming. Hey, what do you want? Oh, hello. Excuse me. My friend, pen car stuck in the fire hydrant. Can you rescue me? Oh, slowly. 1, 2, 3, run. Come on. Okay, everyone flying. Whee! Woo! Flying fire truck and garbage truck and for school bus. Flying. I'm coming. I rescue you. Don't worry. I take care of you. Come on. I have a big ladder. Don't worry. Okay, come on, rescue. Ooh, big ladder. Oh, rescue me.
Ow.
Rescue me. I'm scared.
It's too big.
It's okay, rescue me.
It's too weird. I'm scared down.
Oh, slowly, please. Oh, thank you so much. I'm very happy about. Oh, friends, I can talk with you, everyone. Thank you, guys. You guys rescue me. Thank you so much, Mr. Bulldozer. Oh, today Bulldozer
a carnival. Come on, bulldozer playing soccer game. We can go to look the soccer game. Come on, let's go. Oh, come on. Come on, the pen car. You come with us. We can look the bulldozer play the soccer game. Woohoo! See? Bulldozer, you like a soccer game. Push, push, yeah! Woo, 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 woo.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Someone help! Oh, someone help! I'm sucking under the soccer ball. Bulldozer, help! Come on.
Oh, this is too heavy.
We need a fire truck and bus, garbage truck. Everyone coming. Come on. Yeah, this way come, here coming. Yeah, coming this side. Yeah, here the bus tugging on me. Oh,
We are coming.
oh, ball tugging on your car, pushing. Come on, come on, Mr. Police. Oh, fire truck and garbage truck. The ball, soccer ball tugging on me. Help! I'm stucking under the car. Oh no!
I can kick the ball.
Wow, you are very good, strong fire truck.
I can throw the ball.
Oh, thank you guys. Woo. Oh, I can push the ball into the safe place. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah, I made a bird nest for the ball. Yes, that's a perfect place. Ball not moving. Great job, guys. Everyone clapping. Clap. Good job.